Hello everyone. I welcome you in the continuation process of the Sci-Fi City Asset Level City Level Design project. So as you can see, I am still populating the city with the signboards. As you can see, I am testing the signboards like just proportionate on the building, and just placing the signboards. I have 24 of them, just using multiple times to populate to look good actually. Yes, and this is the another type of signboard, like A, B, C category. So it's like you have to resemble it like building A, building B, building C, building D, something like that. So I'm just placing the signboards on the building. Okay, so like this. This is the number A. Place it correctly. And the other one is number B. Place it correctly. Yes. And the next one is C. So the lot of work you have to do and simultaneously, like to match the scene. Maybe you have to, obviously you have to change the position, you have to change the scale, you have to change the rotation. So this is quite common. Okay. So like for the shortcut, you can use WER also for the scale, rotation, and the position changing arrow. So it's all applicable for Unity and also Unreal. WER is the key to cycle between the scale, rotation, and position change. Okay. So as you can see, now the buildings are A, B, C, D. It's okay. And now I am just using another signboard to just populate the city. Placing it correctly. Then the another one, it's called welcome. I used it just only once. It doesn't matter. The only focus is to to achieve um, the goal. I mean to achieve how you want to see your project. That is the only matter. Okay. And maybe on this part, that's administrative zone. Yes, maybe it's on the crown part, like these are administrative buildings, something like that. Yes. So just looking around to to see the any emptiness of the city. And you see the left side, the hierarchy is populating. So you just keep assigning them and keep moving them in the container. Otherwise it will be very hectic to, the list is going on, going on, going on. It's so many assets, so many components right now in the scene. So yeah, I'm just rotating, maintaining the scale, proportion, all the things. Okay, so yeah, from the distance it's looking okay actually. And then next part is to just looking around, just looking around. The black objects, like you see, these are like platforms for the vehicle or something. You can use them as a platform for maybe some sort of sci-fi machine, or maybe some sort of you know vehicle. So I'm gonna use it as a vehicle platform. So right now you are seeing this is the lamppost. I'm just curious to to place them. Look how they are actually how they are behaving. Placing the mannequin for the scale, proper proportion. Yeah, something like that. So obviously it's a bit small, need to increase the scale. So that's why the level design is not a one-day job, or it's not a uh, kind of instant job. You have to be patient, and you have to. I always asking that in level design you are creating an artwork. Okay, you are creating a digital artwork, so you have to be patient, and you have to be focused, and you have to apply your logic, you have to apply your instinct, and you have to apply your um, common sense and all that, everything, because you are creating a digital artwork. I'm placing just trying to place these assets for for the testing purpose. So yes, I'm just placing them to see how it's look at. Maybe it's a bit tensed. Yeah, from the street view it can be okay, but it's very time consuming to cover up all the streets like this. So I'm just for the tutorial purpose, I'm just skipping this part, and I'm not gonna use this lamppost. I'm just skipping this part. So you got the idea that how you gonna populate the street, okay, with the lamppost. So I'm just maintaining the main focus on this. So right now I'm just looking for vehicle The hover vehicle, yes. So yeah, the one, okay. Obviously it's small, so you need to tweak the the scale of the car in terms of the layout of the city layout. Okay. And also you need to measure something with the material. So like before applying, just testing this one. Okay, I'm just testing the materials also for the emissive part, the engine part. It's like you have to look good. Okay, it's too much. It's too much. Maybe adjust a bit. So this kind of settings tweaking and scaling, and these are the part of level design. These are the part of adjustment. These are the parts of this process. You don't get it like instant. So you have to be patient. Grab the materials and just do the same value for this one. Okay. So remember there are two, in this project I'm using three sets of the asset. One is for the vehicle, one is for the buildings, one is for the street. Okay, so I'm just adjusting the scale from the prefab point of view. From the prefab, I'm just using the scale. Okay. It's looking too much. The value down a bit. Okay. And okay, these are all materials for the vehicle. Yes, you need to tweak it down, just kind of uh, um, yes. Now I think okay. Mm, okay. So this is I'm doing scaling up the vehicle, scaling up, scaling up. Okay. Uh, these are quite interesting numbers. Sometimes you don't get 111. Sometimes you get fractional numbers. It depends actually on your model. So you need to do you need to scale them kind of manually, and you need to depend on the measurement scale. In this case, a human figure I'm using for the scaling. Okay, so thank you. I will be come again in the next part. So thank you. Keep watching, and keep supporting me. Thank you very much.